I believe nature is a living pharmacy. Let's discover the power of nature medicine. Hi, my name is Sebastian Liu. I've been a practicing medical herbalist and a doctor of naturopathy since 1999. I am also a professional member of the National Herbalist Association of Australia. As a medical herbalist and a doctor of naturopathy, I not only treat the symptoms of diseases, but also using non-toxic therapies such as herbal medicine and other therapeutic actions to treat the person's body, mind, and spirit holistically. For example, we don't just use natural medicine to lower blood pressure, but more importantly, we like to address the root causes of high blood pressure, which could be emotional stress factors, poor tissue healing, poor microcirculation, poor diet, chronic inflammation, and poor digestion. How would you treat your child's fever or cold? And why is your child getting sick despite constant medication? How you treat an acute disease determines the long-term health of the person. In natural medicine, we treat the fever or cold by modulating the immune system with herbs. We may use Knight water therapy to ease the discomfort of the fever and to encourage elimination of toxins through detoxifications. In this way, your child's body immune system will be strengthened. Many elderly people suffer from joint pain due to degeneration. The usual approach is to take medication to ease the pain, but it comes with a litany of side effects, including risk of heart diseases, osteoporosis, and speeding up of cartilage destruction. The naturopathic approach is to improve digestion and assimilation of nutrients so that to improve tissue healing, to eliminate toxicity from the body, including uric acid, through herbs and diet change. And also we use water therapy to ease the discomfort and to address other stress and emotional factors, and to improve the lifestyles so that we improve the insulin sensitivity of the body. In this way, you not only can heal the pain, but you improve the overall body wellness. So what is true wellness? As stated in my book, Live the Life, the secret to wellness is to heal our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual bodies. And this you can achieve by the right beliefs, the right actions to give you total wellness. My cradles of wellness are: I love myself, I open up myself to grace, my body can heal itself, my life is whole, I am the co-creator of life, nature can heal us, I am in harmony with all, our bodies need unceasing care, and my healing is a journey. One of the cradle of wellness is I love myself. Why bother to be healthy when all of us must die one day? Many of us do not find meaning in being healthy. But loving ourselves and nurturing ourselves, body, mind, and spirit, with positive actions, is to enable us to pursue our life goals and to care for others. Therefore, when we expose ourselves to unhealthy habits, such as violent sports, smoking, lack of rest, unhealthy food, and also negative thoughts, we are not loving and respecting ourselves. Most diseases can be attributed to our lifestyle and the environment. You need to adopt and to implement the right actions in your daily life in order to have true wellness and happiness. I call these right actions the 7 sacred letters of wellness. They are herbs, environment, assimilation, love, exercise, ritual, and spirituality. Father Sebastian Knep, one of the nature cure movement pioneers in Europe, said many people die while the herbs that could have saved them grow around their graves. Studies on the older old, those healthy individuals above the age of 80 years old, all over the world, have revealed consistently that medicinal plant is part of their daily diet and lifestyle. I invite you to discover natural medicine and be transformed physically, psychologically, and spiritually. You can decrease medical, social, and economic costs associated with chronic aging and diseases. You do not have to settle a life of diseases. With nature resources and therapeutic actions, you can heal yourself. For more information, read my book Live to Life and begins a journey of good health, peace, and true wealth.